The bathroom and kitchen is a high-performing multi-purpose spray and wipe cleaner for all surfaces. It has a proprietary multi-enzyme formula that is gentle on all surfaces but tough on dirt. Used for stainless steel, glass, ceramics, natural stones, wood and lacquered finishes, range hoods, ovens, fridges, tapware, shower doors, toilet and vanity bowls, automotive vinyl, automotive glass and more. Bathroom and kitchen is pH neutral but has an active agent to attack mould and mildew. Use sparingly, one squirt at a time onto a microfiber cloth, then polish off surface. Replenish cloth and move to next area to be cleaned. Bathroom and kitchen leaves a streak-free surface and is soap-free, septic safe, gentle on allergies, asthma and skin irritations, and part of the US EPA's Safer Choice program. Bathroom and kitchen is designed for the environment.